everybody, welcome to the party, my wonderful party pals. We've got a lot of suspense for you today, and action, and we've got tons of suspense. In fact, maybe even 2 tons, because as you can see, this post, it's in place up at the top, but as you go down and look at the bottom of it, what's holding it? Well, we've got these jacks holding up the top of the porch, and there are a couple of screws holding it up, but also we've got this jack down here, and it gives us the ability to go up a little bit and move it around. And we want to be able to move this around so that we can get this in the right spot, because we want it to go back to its historical place, its historical position. So how do we do that? How do we turn back time? Well, we have time-traveling railings that will bring us back into the present and put it back in the same place it used to be. So let's put some screws in that, and then our post will be in the right spot in the bottom. And now the post is being held exactly where it should be, right in place, and it is remarkably stable. Now, to add to our suspense, we're going to raise this post base up in the air while we attach it to the bottom of this post. And now, what could be more suspenseful than what we've done already? Well, unsuspending it. Let's let all this force down on top of this post base. So we're going to slowly start letting it down, and we're going to listen for any strange sounds, but I think it's going to go fine. It worked, and it is super strong. So this thing feels like it's holding up the world over here on this part of the block. So it's so nice that you could join the party today, and we'll see you next time.